Hey guys, Bill Yaley, Mad Scientist Lab, and I'm going to get back into, very briefly, back into the tube test harnesses that I built over a period of months. I've got the gain stage 1 and 2, I have the cathode follower, and then I have the EL84 speaker driver. And I've also got a couple of tone stacks here. I remember at the end of the last video I said, hey, I'm going to dial in a couple of different amp combinations and see what comes up from that. So I never did it, and it's time for me to make good on that promise. Before I start doing a lot of mixing and matching of stuff, I was going to try to find one that I could do consistently all the way through. And it looks like I might be able to do some flavor close to a Fender Princeton. I don't know if it's going to sound exactly like a Fender Princeton, but who knows, it might be close. So spend a couple of minutes dialing in the Princeton sound. Fender Princeton uses the gain stage 1 and 2, where gain stage 1 feeds into the tone stack. This is nothing like the Princeton tone stack. What it is, it's closer to a Fender Marshall treble middle bass. If you can make out this, it says Dumble 124 and Dumble 102, but I've added a magic switch in here that goes from Dumble, and the other setting, which is what it's in now, is the everyone else setting. So you can either be a Dumble or everyone else. Go figure. All right, turning this thing on. Let's see what it does. All righty. So gain stage 2 does not have the bypass cap, and stage 1 also does not have the bypass cap. Wow. Okay, so that's all treble. Let's turn all the tone controls. The volume is backed off to about the 9 o'clock position. Sounds like every Fender I've ever played. Underpowered and absolutely no distortion whatsoever. All right, let's go from the Fender-ish. Let's try something else. Let's try Marshall. How about a Marshall JCM800? Nice. All right, so this is my JCM800 with a bit of a Lee Jackson mod here. Yeah, there's a video elsewhere on YouTube where Jackson steps through essentially what he did. He created a cathode follower that went into the tone stack, and then he used the second gain stage to make up the volume part only. So this is very, very approximate. Same EL84 stage. JCM800 doesn't use an EL84, so this is really just to give it some audible sound. But the first and second stage and the cathode follower should be pretty close. Hope it doesn't blow it. I hope you can tell that this is a lot more aggressive sounding. There's a lot of current pushing through the tone stack there and going ultimately into this guy driving the EL84. So a little bit more fizzy sounding. Cool. I feel like I should try the other tone stack just because I think it sounds better. That's just changing out the tone stack. So again, really versatile setup. I did have to deviate a little bit from the JCM800 settings. There's a 68K resistor in parallel with the bypass cap, and it seems like I needed to boot that up a little bit more to get it to still run pretty hot. Well, so there you have it. There was a Fender Princeton, a close setup for the JCM800 with the Lee Jackson mod, then trading out for a Dumble 33 tone stack, all run into the EL84 into a cheesy Celestion. There's a lot more stuff I could do with this, and now that I've undone all of my favorite settings, I'll have to find those again. All right, but that's for another day. All right, thanks for stopping by, guys. See ya.